And they're up. Early lead is taken by Strawberry Dawn and Sapima moving up on the inside. It's Sapima, Dulce Ballerina moving up on the outside. It is now Dulce Ballerina followed by Sapima, Kitik Willie, Kasilawan, and Strawberry Dawn and putting Biyaya on the inside. And at the mid-back stretch, it's entry number 1, Sapima in the lead, followed by Dulce Ballerina on the outside, Strawberry Dawn on the further outside, Kitek Willie putting Biyaya and Kasilawan. And rounding the pattern, the lead is taken once again by Sapima and Dulce Ballerina moving up on the further outside, Strawberry Dawn. It's now Strawberry Dawn in the lead, followed by Sapima, Dulce Ballerina, Kitik Willie moving up on the further outside, and putting Biyaya, Kasilawan. And into the home stretch is Strawberry Dawn moving up on the inside, putting Biyaya, Kitik Willie on the further outside, in between horses Sapima. Is Strawberry Dawn in the lead, followed by Sapima, Kitik Willie moving up on the further outside, and putting Biyaya on the rail. And nearing the payoff line, Strawberry Dawn moving up on the inside, entry number 1 is putting Biyaya, and finally entry number 3 putting Biyaya.
Okay, Dihado, numero 3, Puting Biyaya, crossing the wire first, segundo, sa East.